This video will show you how to set up user accounts for your boberdoo lead system. Start by going to Settings and then Manage User Groups. Each new user needs to belong into a certain group, which defines their permissions and capabilities within the system, so you need to create them before you start adding users. Each group needs to have a name, type, and description. You have the ability to define a list of allowed IPs for each group, and you can hide individual clients or client groups or lead types from this user group as well. Below the group information, there are a list of viewable pages and action permissions you can define for this group, covering all the left menu sections of your system. So for example, if you don't want a certain user or group to have access to the system options or source and vendor pages, you will leave their boxes unchecked. Below that are the client account permissions that control access to your client setups, and then additional permissions, which cover certain actions and tools within the system. For example, the filter and search features, reprocessing, invoicing related actions, and so on. So now that you have created a group, you will see it in the Groups page where you can edit, remove, and sort your groups. Now you can create the user's account in the Manage Users tab on the left, fill in the user's name and email, their login, which they will use to access the system, and their password, which they will be able to change later. Finally, choose the group this user will belong into and save. This user is now able to log into the system using the username and password combination you gave them.